Here is minus 11. First we want to know that in which interval this angle minus 11 lies. Since we know that 22/7 is approximately equal to pi, not exactly but approximately, therefore 1 will be equal to 7 pi by 22, minus 11 will be equal to 7 pi by 22 times minus 11. This is equal to minus 7 pi by 2. This is negative angle. This does not lie in this interval. Minus 7 pi by 2 can be written minus 4 pi plus pi by 2. That means minus 11 is equal to, approximately equal to, minus 4 pi plus pi by 2. Shifting this minus 4 pi on the left hand side, we get this. This is formula. Cot 4 pi plus theta is equal to cot theta. Therefore, cot 4 pi plus, in place of theta, we write minus 11. Then, by using this formula, this will be equal to cot minus 11, cot theta, cot minus 11. That means cot minus 11 is equal to cot 4 pi plus minus 11. Therefore, cot inverse, cot minus 11 can be written, cot inverse, in place of cot minus 11, we write cot 4 pi plus minus 11. Now this 4 pi plus minus 11, 4 pi plus minus 11 is approximately equal to pi by 2. And an angle which is nearly equal to pi by 2 always lies in this interval. That means this condition is fulfilled by this angle. If we consider theta is equal to this, then this angle fulfills this condition. Therefore, by using this formula, this will be equal to theta, means this angle. Therefore, value of cot inverse cot minus 11 will be 4 pi minus 11. 4 pi minus 11. We suppose cos inverse 1 by root 2 is equal to alpha. This is formula. If cos inverse x is equal to theta, then cos theta is equal to x, and this angle theta lies between 0 and pi. By using this formula, here we can write cos alpha is equal to 1 by root 2, and alpha lies between 0 and pi. But we know that value of cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2, and this angle pi by 4 lies between 0 and pi. That means value of this alpha will be pi by 4. But alpha is equal to this. That means this is equal to pi by 4. Here 2 comes before this cos inverse. Therefore, we also multiply both sides by 2. Then value of this is pi by 2. This is expression inside this bracket. Value of this expression is pi by 2. Since value of this expression is equal to pi by 2, therefore sine, here is sine this expression, sine this will be equal to sin pi by 2, and value of sin pi by 2 is equal to 1. Therefore this will be equal to 1. Now here is 10. Therefore multiplying both sides by 10, we get this is equal to 10 times 1, that is equal to 10. Therefore value of this means value of this is equal to 10. Value of this is equal to 10. We suppose tan inverse 2 is equal to beta. Now this is formula. If x be positive, number here x be positive and tan inverse x be theta, then tan theta is equal to x, and this theta lies in first quadrant, greater than 0, less than pi by 2. Here number is positive, 2 is positive, and tan inverse 2 is equal to beta. Therefore tan beta will be equal to 2, and beta will lie in the first quadrant. That means beta will be acute angle. Here we construct a right angle triangle in which we suppose this angle is beta. But tan beta is p by b, and here tan beta is 2. 2 can be considered as 2 by 1, that means p is equal to 2, b is equal to 1. But h is equal to root under p square plus b square, 2 square plus 1 square, that is equal to root 5. H is equal to root 5, p is equal to 2, and b is equal to 1. Now in this triangle, sin beta is equal to p by h, that is equal to 2 by root 5. Cos beta is equal to b by h, that means 1 by root 5. Tan sin 2 tan inverse 2 is equal to tan inverse 2 is equal to beta. Therefore in place of this tan inverse 2 we write beta. Then this is sin 2 beta, sin 2 beta. This is formula. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta. Using this formula, this sin 2 beta can be written 2 sin beta cos beta. 10 times 2 is equal to 20. Sin beta is equal to 2 by root 5. Cos beta is 1 by root 5. 20 times 2 is equal to 40. Root 5 times root 5, 5. 5 divide 40 and gives 8. Therefore value of this is 8. 8. Value of this plus value of this plus value of this. This is equal to 4 pi plus 7. Therefore correct option is C.